guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a home bargains haul. So I popped into our local Home Bargains. I needed to pick up a few cleaning bits and I also picked up a few bits for George's birthday. If you're new here and don't know who George is, then he is my little boy. He is going to be 3 in April. So I thought I would pick up a few birthday bits for him as well, and I'm pretty much sorted now for his birthday, so I'm feeling really organised with that. But I thought I've got a little bit here, so I thought I would just do a little haul for you guys. I love watching B&M, Home Bargains kind of hauls, so I thought I would just share with you what I bought in the shops today. So guys, if you do enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a viewer, and let's get on with the video. Okay, so if I start off with some cleaning bits then, the first thing I picked up was a new Star Drops white vinegar spray. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. It is amazing for cleaning windows. I love to use it in the bathroom, and I also love to use it on like mirrors, and you know what it is also really good for? I use this when I clean my drains. So when I'm like using my plug hole drains and I put down some bicarbonate of soda, if I then put a glug of this down, it really just activates the bicarbonate of soda and just leaves your drains and sinks looking really sparkly and clean. And this is so cheap. It's something like 69p and it lasts a really long time as well. So I needed to pick up a new one of those. I also then picked up one of these Febreze Unstoppable fabric sprays. I use Unstoppables for our clothes and I absolutely love the scent. I'm not sure what scent this actually is, but I use the Unstoppables of this too. It's just saying fresh, but it smells amazing. It's got up to double the amount of scent power in it as well, and it's just really good, especially if you have pets or children, just making your house smell really fresh and clean. And you can use this on fabrics as well. I spray it on my sofas and the curtains and carpets and rugs and things, and just really good at making your house smell really lovely and fresh. Now the next thing I picked up then from Home Bargains, and somewhere I always buy these from Home Bargains. If you can hear that, that is our cat that we have recently got. So I was going to show in another video, but maybe I will show him now if he will come here. So this is, we got a little kitten, and this is Milo. He is 9 weeks old. We rescued him, and we've been meaning, we wanted a pet, we wanted a cat for quite some time. I've always had cats growing up, and we saw that he needed desperately a new home, so we took him on, and George absolutely loves him and they get on really, really well. He's really settling in really nicely as well, and he's just a really lovely, nice, well-natured, nurtured cat. But he is a typical kitten, and he is just treading around everywhere, just trying to get used to his surroundings, and he just keeps playing with George's toys. So if that's what you hear, that's what it is. But as I was saying, I always buy these air freshener plugins from places like B&M and Home Bargains because they work out so much cheaper. So you get 2 in here. It is a double pack, and it's $4.99 for a pack of 2. Sorry, the cat was climbing. So that's great value for money. So I picked up the vanilla bouquet flavour, and then I also picked up the berry and bramble one as well. Sorry if the lighting's a bit weird. I'm doing this in front of the window because it is a beautiful day outside and you get quite nice lighting. But then some clouds have just come, so the clouds keep going in and out, so sorry about that. But this is the limited edition flavour. It has like a scratch and sniff on the front, and it does smell really, really lovely, so I can't wait to plug those in. And again, so in total that's about £10, but that's amazing for a double pack because that will last us quite a long time as well. I then picked up 2 packs of these antibacterial wipes. So these are just the Power Action ones. I'm not sure if these are like Home Bargains' own brand, but you get 50 wipes per pack, and they're really cheap, 29p. And the scent that I got was lemon and apple, and they're just really handy to have, especially with now having a kitten or with having children. They're just really good to just grab one out and wipe down a side. So they were really cheap to buy for 2 packs of those. And the last sort of cleaning thing then that I bought was a huge bag of the Fairy Original All-in-One, the extra large pack of dishwasher tablets. Sometimes I do just buy the cheap ones from like Lidl's, and they work really, really well. I have nothing bad to say about them whatsoever, but you don't get as many in a pack. And these were on offer in Home Bargains. I think it was $4.99, and in here you get 78 dishwasher capsules, which is such a good deal at the moment. So I picked one of those up because it will last such a long time, and they work really well in the dishwasher. They really do cut through pretty much all grease and grime that you might have from like your baking trays and things like that. So he's on the toy again. I really need to move that toy, I think. But yeah, great value for money at the moment. Now, just a few things then that I picked up for the garden. So we are trying to do our garden ready for George's birthday, because I would just love to have him out in the garden for his birthday. We have bought him a slide and some outdoor toys, so it would be really nice if the garden's just sorted ready for then. So I picked up a couple packs of these. I'm not sure if you can see those in the light, but these are the Butterfly and Bee Garden Shake and Rake flower mixes, or flower seeds should I say. So it says in here it contains over 10,000 seeds in 25 varieties and will cover up to 25 meters squared, and you get a few different varieties in the box, and it says to sow them between February and June, so that's now, and then they'll bloom between June and October. So I thought that'd be quite nice just to get these planted. I'm not sure if they're going to work, but it's definitely worth a try, and these are really cheap. They were $1.49, so if they don't work then I haven't really missed out on anything. So we will try those in the garden. I picked up a little treat for myself. It's actually my birthday on Sunday as I'm filming this, so I got myself some Rolos. We are going to make some brownies. Instead of having a birthday cake, I asked for some brownies, so we're going to make some of the little Rolo brownies that George can make with us, which will be good fun. And I love Rolos. Chocolate just filled with caramel, there's nothing better. And again, really cheap in Home Bargains, 99p for the bag. And then moving on to a few bits for George's birthday then. So at the moment George is completely and utterly obsessed with dinosaurs. He is constantly roaring at the top of his lungs at any opportunity he can get. So I found this in Home Bargains, and this is the Zero-Robo Alive. It's basically a dinosaur that can walk, I was going to say talk, but it roars. And yeah, it bites. It comes with like a glow-in-the-dark slime egg, which I'll probably not give him the slime because I think he's a little bit young for some slime. But this was £10 and it's really good for noises, and he absolutely just loves dinosaurs. So I think he is going to absolutely love this. This will be his like first electronic kind of dinosaur toy, so I think he'll be over the moon with that. Next thing that he is obsessed with, that is doing my head in, is he is obsessed with Baby Shark. So I found this in Home Bargains. This is the Big Fong Baby Shark puzzle. It is suitable from 2 years old, so I think that the pieces will be big enough for him to be able to use. And Nursery have been telling me recently that he loves puzzles as well, so I think he's going to love this. It's 24 pieces, it's by Nickelodeon and Baby Shark, and yeah, it's just a large puzzle with 3 of the main sharks on, which he is going to love. He constantly is singing do 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 and just constantly like doing the actions. He is just obsessed with Baby Shark and dinosaurs. They're like the 2 main things he loves at the moment. And the next toy that I got him then was a Mr. Potato Head. He has had one of these in the past already from my sister-in-law. She bought him one for his 2nd birthday and he loved it, but as you can tell the pieces just go missing and he doesn't have them all anymore. So I found this in Home Bargains. I think it was $7.99 I believe, so not badly priced, but I know he will love this, and he'll have the other potato head that he can go between and stick things on, but I thought I would just buy him a fresh one for him to play with. And the last thing I picked up then was just a birthday card for him. I know this is a really cheap small card, but he's 3, he can't read, he doesn't really understand cards, he's just more going to be excited about the picture of the dinosaur that's on the front. So it's just got a glittery 3, it's got a dinosaur on there, and it was 29p, and I just thought instead of spending a fortune on a card that he is just not going to read or take any interest in, I would just buy this 29p one, and I can just pop that away and write something nice in it, and if he wants to read it when he's older then he can, but I don't think when he's 18 he's going to be too worried about the kind of card that I bought him. Oh, I did buy one more thing, but it's actually been used as a carrier bag. So I bought one of these big under the bed storage boxes, and that was $2.99, and I just got that for all this like train tracking and just pop that underneath the train table just so it's not all over the floor. But I completely forgot about that because instead of getting a trolley or a basket I just popped everything in here, so I almost didn't show you that. But that is everything that I bought at Home Bargains today. I think in total it maybe came to around £40, I believe. So not too expensive for pretty much everything I got there. I'm pretty much finished now for George's birthday, which I'm feeling really prepared for. But yeah, that is everything. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a viewer. I will post any other like B&M and Home Bargains hauls or anything like that down below if you want to go and watch those. But if you did enjoy, like I said, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye!